In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dependencies in Monday.com. Understanding how to set dependencies is essential for managing projects efficiently, as this allows you to visually connect tasks and define relationships, making your workflow smoother and more organized. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is add the dependency column to our board. To do this, look for the plus icon, which you'll find next to the last column header on your board. Click on this icon, and a menu will pop up with various options to customize your board. Once you're there, you can type dependency into the search bar, and you'll see it appear in the search results. Click on it to add it to your board. After adding the dependency column, you'll need to choose which column the dependencies should be related to and decide on the dependency mode. This helps you map out which tasks rely on others, offering you visibility over your project timeline and ensuring tasks are completed in the correct order. Once you've set up these preferences to fit your project's needs, make sure to click Save. Now, your dependency column is all set up and ready to go. The next step involves adding dependencies to specific tasks. For this, go to the row of the item you want to set a dependency for. You'll see an empty cell in the dependency column for this row. Click on it, and a menu will appear where you can select and define the relationships between tasks. It's important to carefully choose which tasks a particular task depends on, so your project timelines and critical paths are accurate. This step is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your project timeline and ensuring that every team member is aware of their roles and responsibilities. Finally, to get a clearer overview of these dependencies, you might want to add a Gantt chart view. This visual tool is invaluable for seeing how all your tasks and their dependencies line up over time. To do this, go to the top of your board and find the Add View button. Select the Gantt chart from the available options. Once you have switched to the Gantt view, your dependencies will be mapped out on a timeline, allowing you to easily track progress and make adjustments as needed. This provides a very intuitive and visual guide to understanding how each task fits into the overall project schedule. And there you have it, a straightforward way to set up and manage dependencies within Monday.com. By following these steps, you ensure a more streamlined process that can vastly improve both teamwork and time management. If you're aiming to enhance productivity and accountability within your projects, mastering these features is a must. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful in optimizing your project management with Monday.com.